On a psychology level, there's 3 main steps or ladders that you need to climb in order to grow your business and the reputation of your business. And I'm going to cover those 3 right now. The first one, let's talk about intimacy marketing. Intimacy marketing is a one-on-one conversation that you have with someone else to show them what your business is about. Sure, it could be a sales call, but it could also be at a bar or a restaurant or on the street passing by or at a store, at a family gathering, things like that. You build a connection this way. This is the most organic way. This is also the most time-consuming way because in order to build a network of people, you need to have a lot of one-on-one conversations. And that's why you see so many older, successful people maintaining such strong relationships with people over the years because they understand that this is such an important factor. So when you can maintain a bunch of one-on-one relationships over a period of time, you're going to be successful because you have your trust in a lot of people and vice versa. Though those successful people that have all of these connections understand one very specific thing, and that's the second rule. Ecosystem marketing is when you take all of those one-on-one connections. Think of ecosystem marketing like your LinkedIn feed. When you make a post, it's going out to those one-on-one connections. And even though you're not having a literal one-to-one, you're staying top of mind to all those one-on-ones. So they at least recognize that you're still there, whether they're posting or commenting or not. They see what you're up to, and that's your way to do a one-to-all type of relationship, and is the first rule in scaling your network. When you take all of these one-to-one connections and then broadcast out your message to all of them. And I'm just using LinkedIn as an example for this. There's many ways to use it. We're just on this platform right now. And I'm just using LinkedIn as an example for this. There's so many different ways to utilize ecosystem marketing, but this is just the perfect example for the platform we're on right now. It's a lot less tedious because you get to put out your message, and that's how you avoid burnout, because we don't have enough hours in the day to talk to every single person that we want to talk to or reach with our message. And ecosystem marketing is where my business fits in, where we help build that ecosystem for people by broadcasting their message and figuring out ways for that message to resonate with people. This leads me to my third point, which is lever marketing. Lever marketing, as described by the powers that be, which I learned this information from, is always a one-time, I don't want to condense it down to a gimmick, but a one-time thing that pushes a temporary surge of attention to you. Facebook ads, influencer marketing, a viral video, a viral post, all of these things send a temporary surge to your profile that can then result in increased revenue in business and leads and prospects and all that stuff. A trade show is a perfect example of that. You have to keep pulling the lever every time that you want a surge, which is fine, but understand that once that lever stops being relevant, those prospects, that surge is going to dry up. You're ready for the lever marketing step when you already have your ecosystem and your messaging in place. And luckily, that's why people like me are in business, to help you articulate that. But lever marketing is really, really, really amazing for those that have that tight message in place and ready to go to the next level. So we covered intimacy marketing, ecosystem marketing, and lever marketing. These are the 3 psychological tactics in order to grow your business and understand what you're going through right now. And I mean, these steps work for me. You could just look through my profile and see how I utilize these 3 steps. If we connect in DMs or offline, you're my intimacy marketing, because I know you're going to refer me to someone that needs me if I build trust and relationship with you, and I'm going to refer people to you when you know what I mean. So that's how you develop an ecosystem with a bunch of people like-minded that want to support each other. And that's why I really enjoy my time on LinkedIn and the people that I meet on this platform. And then lever marketing, ecosystem, all of that just fits into this nice bundle that is consistent growth. Anyway, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. My name is Chris. I'm with Sonder Media, and I'll see you next time.